By August 6, 2026, Regulation EU 2023/1464 takes full effect, making current formaldehyde emission standards an immediate liability for every wood-based manufacturer in the market. This isn't a distant policy goal. It's an urgent qualification crisis that is already forcing producers to choose between meeting strict new limits or maintaining their production speeds. On the lab bench, compliance seems deceptively simple. Just dial back the free formaldehyde until the numbers hit the target.
OnlyTRAININGS. Learn what works in the industry.
The moment that easy fix moves to the factory floor, the production line grinds toward a halt, forcing operators to skyrocket their press cycle pressures just to get the resin to set. You're left with a finished product that might pass an emission test, but fails the most basic stress requirements, shattering both the panel and your bottom line. These failures start at the core of the chemistry, usually when a team attempts to solve the problem by aggressively slashing the formaldehyde to urea ratio. Slashing that ratio to these extremes cripples the cure speeds and structural integrity that modern high-volume manufacturing lines are built upon. Without that internal strength, the finished boards are left vulnerable, swelling and warping the moment they encounter real-world humidity and moisture. When lowering the ratio fails, many formulators pivot to the next desperate tactic, dumping in excessive scavengers to mask the emissions. But overdosing triggers a chaotic chain reaction, transforming the resin into an unstable, unworkable sludge that threatens to seize up the entire manufacturing line. The industry is realizing that ultra-low emission compliance cannot be hacked or guessed. It requires a level of formulation precision that very few teams currently possess. There is, however, a proven way to build a commercially workable system that survives the new mandate without sacrificing the production line. Reaching that balance requires mastering specific staged addition techniques and press cycle conditions to ensure the resin remains fast, strong, and stable. Do you know which formulation adjustments will save your production line? To survive 2026, you need advanced mastery, not guesswork. Access the definitive roadmap in the training, Ultra-Low Formaldehyde Wood Adhesives, UF, MUF Formulation and Emission Control, from the expert team at OnlyTRAININGS. Register now to rebuild your resin performance and secure your manufacturing future.